How to disable disappearing messages in WhatsApp. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you two methods on how to disable disappearing messages on WhatsApp. First of all, after you open your WhatsApp, go and tap on this three dot at the top right. Go to settings, scroll to down and tap on this privacy. Scroll all the way to down, tap on this section which says disappearing messages. Tap on it. So as you can see, it says start new chat with a disappearing messages, time set to, as you can see now, it said 90 days. So tap on this turn off. So tap on this back arrow, go back, go back. So that's the first method. So the second method to disable disappearing messages is, as you can see now, if your message is enabled with a chat to disappear for a certain time, you will see this arrow, as you can see, this timer arrow. So to disable this, all you have to do, just tap on the contacts. So tap on his name, scroll to down. So as you can see now, here it says, as you can see here, it says disappearing message. So tap on it. So as you can see, tap on this turn off. To tap on this, go back again, go back again. So as you can see now, the timer now has turned off. That's it guys. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.